delighted to announce that I have been hired for the position of Associate Software Development Engineer at a vertical SaaS product-based company. I am Ankur from Kolkata. I have a BTech in Electrical Engineering. Being a student of Electrical Engineering, I was also introduced to computer science courses, and from there, I developed a passion for coding and programming. Upon completing BTech, I always wanted to join the IT industry, but never got the right opportunity. Eventually, I got an opportunity from an international school to join as a high school mathematics teacher. So I began my journey as an educator. But after working for a few years, I realized that I had diverted from my passion, and my passion for computer coding, software development dates back to my college days. I was not growing as an individual. I was teaching the same course year after year, which seemed quite boring to me. And on the other hand, my friends who worked in the IT, they got to work in different projects which seemed quite luring to me. I wanted to step out and look for new opportunities. I graduated in 2017. In my search to switch careers, I realized that IT industry will not count my 5 years of experience in the education sector. So my entire 5 years of experience in the education sector became null and void, and I had to start over again. On Google, I came across a full Stack Development Bootcamp conducted by KnowledgeHut's upGrad. Upon reviewing the program, I realized that the technologies taught here are cutting edge and latest in the market. I was pleased by the technology stack provided by KnowledgeHut's upGrad. My learning experience with KnowledgeHut has been great. The learning happened on parallel track. While in the live classes, our trainer Kishore sir explained us each and every concept from scratch, the self-paced contents on Prism helped me to explore the mysterious world of full-stack web development. The learning process was step by step, so it was easy for me to grasp the concepts which were taught in class as well as in Prism. I am delighted to announce that I have been hired for the position of Associate Software Development Engineer at a vertical SaaS product-based company. This indeed is a very good opportunity for me, as I always wanted to be here. Next, I will join the company, use what I have learned from the Full Stack Development Bootcamp, and try to prove myself to be a valuable asset to the organization.